नमस्कार. डेट विथ कॅन्डिडेट कार्यावळीन तुमकां येवकार. आमचे आयचे कॅन्डिडेट आसात आल्दोना कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचे सिटींग MLA आणि BJPचे कॅन्डिडेट ग्लेन टिक्लो. सर, आमच्या कार्यावळीन तुमकां येवकार. तुम्ही गेले 2 फावटी आल्दोनच्यान निवडून आयल्यात. ह्या फावटी आल्दोनकार कितें म्हणटात?
बरोबर 2 फावटी आमी निवडून आयले फ्रॉम 2012 to 17, 17 to 22. आनी हे दोन टॅन्युरान हांवें भरपूर उदरगत कामां केल्लीं आसा. सगल्यो स्किमी आमी लोकांक पाळल्यो आसा. इन द फर्स्ट टॅन्युअर आमचो कालवी ब्रिज आमचो तेन्ना आमचो लेट मनोहर पर्रीकर वॉज ऑल्सो डिफेन्स मिनिस्टर वॉज देर विथ अस. तेज्या सपोर्टान आमी भरपूर कामां केल्लीं आसा. द मेन वॉज द कालवी ब्रिज. ताजे उपरांत भरपूर उदरगत केल्ली आसा आमी रिस्पेक्ट टू रोड्स, रिस्पेक्ट टू इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, रिस्पेक्ट टू ट्रान्सफॉर्मर्स, मागीर ताजे भायर बांद्स, भरपूर कामां केल्लीं आसा. त्या खातीर म्हाका लोकांनी दुसरे फावट निवडून हाडलो. आयज हांव अभिमानान सांगता, आय एम प्रावड टू से दॅट ह्या 5 वर्सान हांवें भरपूर कामां केल्लीं आसा. ऑलमोस्ट टू द ट्यून ऑफ मोर दॅन 100 crores. फर्स्ट टायम बसलो हाडलो आनी परत हांव तुका सांगता, आतां हांव कॅम्पेनींग करता. आय बीन मुवींग हावस टू हावस. I have completed quite a bit, and the response of all the communities, response एकदम पॉझिटिव्ह आसा. सर तुवें इतलें बरें काम केलां, तुवें केन्नाच आमकां वायट उतर दिवंक ना, तुवें केन्नाच आमकां पावल्लें आसा हेंच्याच बाबतीन. ओके, वेन इट केम फॉर ऑल द फेस्टिवल्स ऑलवेज. देन आयज लोक म्हाका ते सांगतात कोविडाक, वेन कोविड केम इन, I remember I had a surgery almost, and at that time only lockdown was there. My office and myself sitting at home with online services. We gave cooked meals for 14 days. We gave cut dhania, grains, medicines. I arranged an ambulance. सगळें आमी केल्लें आसा. हांव फाटीं रावंक ना. आयज लोक आयज ताजी म्हाका पावती दिता. They are telling me when I'm moving house to house. So that's the reason I'm confident that this election 2022, which is much better what I've experienced personally. I'm not being complacent or I'm not being confident, but the लोकांचे म्हाका हे सारके रिस्पॉन्स मेळटा, and genuine response that they will get me elected back again in 2022. And on 10th of March, we will know the truth.
तुम्ही गेली 10 वर्सां हांगसरल्यान निवडून येतात. जे तुम्ही प्रॉमिसीस तांकां केल्ले लोकांक तुम्ही करतले म्हणून, ते तुम्ही फुलफील करपाक शकले काय कितें?
Most of the promises in my manifesto has been fulfilled. Market complex of Aldona, that was my first, beside the bridge and the underpass, that was my first thing of getting the complex repaired, renovated. And then म्हाका 3 फावटी विचारलें, 3 to 4 times, Glenn बाब तूं केन्ना करता तें? But there was a lot of legal problem entangled because the property belongs to the church, leased to the panchayat, and there are a lot of people occupying the place as tenants. So a lot of meetings I had. Eti मोठी file जाल्ली आसा. So in the meantime, I got under GSTDC, I remember that time 2 crores were already sanctioned. And ताजे भायर फुडें I got another 1.5 crore sanctioned, 3.5 crore. So I had meeting even recently. I got the Fabrica, I got all the panchayat members. I said, see, I can start the work tomorrow. Everything is ready. Even a consultant is there. Even every consultant, everything was in place. I said, well, give me an NOC on one side of the Fabrica, and so say other side you give me the NOC of the panchayat, and I'm starting the work in 7 days time. Even tomorrow I can start the work. Everything is ready. But there's Alena. People know very well that this is the only project which remains when Bakije everything, most of the things I've done in my manifesto.
तुमकां जर मंत्रीपद मेळिल्लें जाल्यार ही सगळ्यो गजाली इजी जावपाच्यो काय कितें?
तो बरो प्रश्न म्हाका विचारलो. मंत्रीपद आमचे मनोहर पर्रीकरान स्टेजीर आल्दोनकाराक सांगलेलें आमचे कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीक, तूं ग्लेन टिक्लोक सेकंड टायम निवडून हाड, आमी ताका मंत्री करतले. They promised the people, and till today people keep asking me, you won't believe, I don't want to sort of I don't exaggerate, but people asking me, सर आमकां प्रॉमीस केलें मंत्रीपण, तुवें काम केलें, उदरगत केलें, पूण तूं मंत्री तर जाल्लोय, आमकां जॉब्सा बद्दल खूब फायदो पडपाचो. And that is correct, because people were looking at me as a minister. And yes, then Manohar Parrikar came, sat with me for almost 1.5 hours, 10 minutes गेलो, आमगेर बसलो म्हाका कन्विन्स केलो सी फायनली ही मेड मी अंडरस्टँड सी वी नीड द गव्हर्मेंट टू गो ऑन ऑल युअर फील कीप फायटींग आय प्रॉमीस मी तूं वचून लोकांक सांग तुजें कोता म्हणटा ती फुडें म्हणलो देन करून करून तो सीक पडलो हें जालें डिले जालें आनी देन दी ऑफर्ड मी अ मिनिस्टरशीप अबाउट 1 year बॅक आय सेड नो आय एम नॉट विलिंग टू टेक अ मिनिस्टरशीप एट दीस पॉयंट ऑफ टायम एंड सो एंड एट दीस स्टेज बिकॉज मिनिस्टर आय वॉन्ट गिव मी make me a minister, give me good portfolios. I will benefit the state of Goa and the people of my constituency and the state of Goa. So I am a person who likes to work, from a complete grassroots level as far as the portfolios are concerned. So that's the reason they did not make a minister, and that's the reason the job issue was little. I given a lot of jobs. First tenure job dil diya sir. Second tenure even now, although the Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod jobs called it. Thode few jobs have happened, which jobs have been given in my constituency, but most of the jobs already will happen after the election. So that is the reason ministership. Definitely, they have already made a mention, Mr. Fadnavis ji and even B.L. Santosh ji, that they will definitely make me a minister in this coming third term.
तुमचे जे आदले कोलीग आशिल्ले ते तुमच्या अगेन्स्ट आतां सद्या तुमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन प्रचार करता तुमचेर एलिगेशन्स जाता की तुमी करप्शन केलां की ह्या सगळ्या बद्दल तुमकां कितें म्हणपाचें आसा
पळय म्हजो आदलो कलीग बाब मायकल लोबोचे उलयता न्हू तूं ताजें उलयत जाल्यार सोमचें ना तें सगल्यांक खबर आसा की मायकल लोबो इज अ गटर. When he speaks, he speaks, he is like a gutter. When he speaks, in the gutter, everything flows together. And that is very important, that he only speaks, and talking and what he speaks is all garbage. त्या खातीर ताका कॅबिनेट ताका कचरो मंत्री केल्लो कचरो मंत्री सो नाव तो कचरो तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी कचरो करूंक सोदतालो तें सगळें प्लॅनिंग आसलें तें जालें ना सो ताजी एक हें आसली स्ट्रॅटेजी आसली सगळ्यांक घेवन करून BJPक त्रासान घालप आनी आपूण हिरो जावप पूण तो शेकीमॅन शेवटी तो झिरो जालो आतां तो काँग्रेसान गेलो आनी काँग्रेस पार्टी कसो करून तो पार्टीकूय सोंपयतलो तो एक इश्यू आसा दुसरो इश्यू व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट वेन ही वॉज अ मिनिस्टर एज अ मिनिस्टर ही वॉज फाउंड गिल्टी इन द लोकायुक्ता वे द जज वॉज द रिटायर्ड हायकोर्ट जज was a retired High Court judge. He was held to be guilty and incompetent, and he was told that he should be removed from minister. That is on record. High Court retired judge of Lokayukta. Taje Bayar Tanen, when he was the chairman of the PDA, he should take his own decisions. The board be the confidence on. Board are given to take everybody into confidence, pass his own orders, and even there, the High Court passed strictures against him. It was challenged that he should not be the chairman anymore over there. You followed, no? And he was held guilty that he is taking own decision which not taking the board into confidence. And then finally they passed an order that he has no powers to pass any orders. That was another thing of Michael Lobo. Tajib Bayer, as achievement as an MLA of Kalangut, he only increased, he did a good job. तो हांगा येवन सांगता आमकां की ग्लॅन टिक्लोन कांयच करूंक ना डेव्हलपमेंट करूंक ना आतां थोड्यांक सांगता ते आतां रोड करता म्हजे प्रत्येक फायल ऑफ ऑल द डिपार्टमेंट्स हॅज बीन क्लियर्ड बाय द मिनिस्टर्स एंड बाय द चीफ मिनिस्टर दॅट रिजन ताजे पोटान दुखता बिकॉज येता न्हू तो येता भावता इज मोस्ट वेलकम ना कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी बट यू कॅन सी माय रोड्स लायक कार्पेट्स मे इवन probably plain good land. That's just a existing point of. You cannot see that. And आता सांगता तो मिडिया की और आता डेव्हलपमेंट करता कलंगूट पळय कितें केलां कलंगूट ताणें केलां कितें काय बरें आमचे कलंगूट इज अ वेल नोन बीच इन द वर्ल्ड रेकग्नायज कलंगूट एंड कॉल्ड बाय द वेल नोन बीच आयज कलंगूट कितें आसा कंस्ट्रक्शन आफ्टर कंस्ट्रक्शन दोंगर काबार केल्ले आसा increase in prostitution, increase in trafficking, increase in women atrocities, and everything is going on there. Under whose leadership? हे आमच्या मतदारसंघात जाता म्हज्या आल्दोना कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी जाता that my Aldona constituency, I mean Rakundola, my people of my constituency are lovely people. They have always been with me, I've been with them, and they have always been said, we're doing for the future generation. I'm not after money. Today, you see my bank balance, see on the net, all MLAs have to give them to the Lokayukta. You compare Glenn Ticlo's bank balance and compare his bank balance. Everywhere he's got his share in everything he did. He has not spared anybody. And today he has seen he wants to be the mass leader. What mass leader? Today he is coming into a constituency. Yes, he can come. He's most welcome. He's only been a face of the तो उमेदवार बसलो न्हू एडवोकेट कालोस इज अ फेस तो मास्क घातले कितें म्हणटा ताका मोकाडो घातलेलो आसा तो मोकाडो तो काडीत न्हू फेस मास्क काडीत जाल्यार मायकल लोबो दिश्टी पडटलो कित्याक आतां बरें आमचे दोंगर दिश्टी पडले आहा आमची शेतां दिश्टी पडले आहा तो नोको तो डेस्परेट जाला एंड डुईंग ऑल दीस इन हिज कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी ही हॅज मेंटेन क्रोर्स एंड क्रोर्स ऑफ रुपीज ही हॅज मेंटेन मनी एंड नाव पयशे सगळे घालता तो एंड ही थिंक्स बाय थ्रोईंग मनी he can win seats. That doesn't work. आमचे गोंयचे लोक एकदम हुशार आनी आंदोलनचे लोक मतदारसंघाचे लोक म्हजे लोक are very very smart. They are not for money. 10th of March is the result and 12th is my birthday. People will give a befitting reply and I'm 100% confident that the मतदान आमचे बरें जातले and Glenn Ticlo will be back again as a MLA in this beautiful constituency because people they have faith in me that I've kept this beautiful constituency for posterity. For generations, beautiful. Michael Lobo has got no ethics. He's got no principles. He's got no honesty and insincere. हाँ तुका सांगता. He's only what is for him is money, power, and लोकांक फोंडान घालपाचें. And आयज कितल्या लोकांक ताणें फोंडान घातलेलें आसा. Even the Congress party is scared of him. He tried it with the BJP, but he didn't succeed. Today, Bharatiya Janata Party is a very, very powerful party, and I'm proud that today Bharatiya Janata Party, under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister, has given us almost about 20,000 crores, and you can see the infrastructure. This is for whom? आमकां न्हू तें गोंयांक आनी प्रत्येक गोंयकाराक.
सो BJPन ताच्या विरुद्ध कित्याक एक्शन घेतली ना ताका काडून उडयलो ना अशें कित्याक केलें ना अशें दिसता.
पळय एक्शन घेवपाची आसता न्हू ताका एक्शन्स आमचे BJP भारतीय जनता पार्टी कितें करपाक ते करतलेच बिकॉज ताका प्रोसेस आसता एक्शन घेवपाक करपाक ही वॉज देयर इन द पार्टी नॉट बिकॉज दे एक्शन घेवना इवन टुडे इवन मिनिस्टर्स बाय मोदीजी गव्हर्मेंट हेज बीन केम्पन नॉक्ड ऑफ ताजे सगळे एक्शन भायर सरतले इज गॉट लॉट ऑफ स्केलेटन्स इन इज कबर्ड एंड बेजिकली आज तो उलयता करता न्हू इज स्केर्ड तो भियेला because he must lose his own seat. He is going to lose his own seat. And even his family raz to korta no in Sholem, 10 seat vetele. Lokang photom korop, zage vikop, baila sogle zagne vikle ranen. And that's not a go anymore. That's some different place altogether. They vikop, drugs acher poishakar person is a sharp te, barino te. Amka खूप सोना सांगता आमच्या भुरग्यांक सारके रस्त्यार रावत. That's why I tell my youth, be on the right track. आयज कोण पयशे वतयतात स्पेंडिंग लॉट ऑफ मनी सोरो घालतात म्हाका जाता लास्ट 6 months in my constituency I would like to make a mention I'm the second time MLA for 10 years there was peace harmony कोणाक विचार see there are two types of politicians one politician is to be really focused लोकांची काळजी घेवप सेवा करपाक मात्र समक भुरग्यांक समोवपाक आमचे भुरगे मे बी प्रायवेट गव्हर्मेंट जॉब्स आमच्या महिलांची सुरक्षीत they are this thing is very very important see their Mahilas are well taken care of and main the senior citizens that they get everything and they're taken care of because they have contributed lots to the state of God to their families and to the constituency. It's our responsibility to ensure that we take care of them. These are my 3 mottos. I'm not worried about anything else and the people of my constituency knows about it and back again in this 10th of March you will see all will be surprised that the margin that I get will be a good margin. I'm hopeful and surely I appeal to the people of my constituency. Please support the Bharatiya Janata Party, support Glenn Ticlo because today Bharatiya Janata Party has done a good job. कितने long the communal ये थे you make a statement as a Catholic that Congress is communal because when I was into my business I know how the ex-Congress people who was also the deputy CM of this area of this constituency how much they put me in trouble बाकी जन कितने फंड केले मला खबर है but Bharatiya Janata Party I have never seen that doing that being an MLA for last 10 years.
आमी लोकां खातीर काम करतले हे तांचे प्रॉमीस आसा सर तुमकां आमचे कडल्यान ऑल द बेस्ट
Thank you very much. You're very welcome.